Hi everyone, my name is Pradul and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an outfit from scratch video. I believe the last time that I posted an outfit from scratch on my channel was for my own haldi outfit if I'm not wrong. It's been a while since I've done this video, but I knew that for Shikhar and Riya, who are two of my closest friends, for their wedding I had to make outfits from scratch because I had a very clear vision of what I wanted to do for every single function. So yeah, having said that, let's get started with today's video. So in total, I decided to go ahead and create 4 different outfits. We're gonna start off with outfit number 1, which is going to be my arrival outfit. So I knew that on day 1, we were gonna reach the venue really early in the morning because Aditya and I had the responsibility of helping the bride and groom welcome all the other guests. So I wanted to be dressed up in like a shadi vibe, and I had a vision. So I really wanted to wear a farshi salwar. So this is a very royal Lucknowi outfit that traditionally queens would wear it. It's supposed to be very wide, very flowy, almost floor grazing sort of an outfit. Just the vibe of this outfit is so feminine but also very regal, and I don't own anything like this. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity to stitch something like this, and also it would be very comfortable for me to be in it for hours. Okay, then outfit number 2 is the Sangeet outfit. There was no dress code that was given to us by the bride or groom for the Sangeet, but I wanted to do something fun for the Sangeet, right? And I wanted to do a corset style top with a very flowy skirt, not a lehenga but a skirt. Now I should have anticipated that this was not the best idea. Why and how, everything we'll talk about towards the end of today's video. Okay, function number 3 was haldi. इसमें dress code ये था कि हमें pastels पहनने थे, and that was it. Now this was gonna be a Punjabi wedding. Both the bride and groom are Punjabis, so मुझे पता था मुझे एक short kurti, patiala, पुरांदा, जुत्तीज, वो स्टाइल का लुक मुझे करना ही करना है. So I convinced all the girls to do this with me. And then coming on to the 4th and final look, which was the wedding. Again, no memo given to us by the bride and groom. जो पहनना है वो हम पहन सकते हैं. So काफी ज़्यादा मैंने scroll किया on Pinterest as one does, and one key element that I searched was velvet. Now I feel like winter weddings में velvet looks really cool. In general, I'm not a very big fan of velvet and not even velvet saris, but I was keen on exploring how I could incorporate it in this wedding. And I came across this one image by Komal Pandey, and I was just blown away by her look. In general, her Indian looks are just to die for, and they make great inspo images. So I thought that I could easily recreate that look of hers, and I actually could. I found basically the same fabric, similar fabrics as hers. So now that you have a little bit of an overview as to what my outfits were gonna be, I'm gonna roll the clips of me going fabric shopping. You guys have seen me go fabric shopping so many times. I go to the same place over and over again. It's called Ellie Perry. It's in Andheri, and it's, I would say, quite reasonably priced. It's not super inexpensive, but it is reasonably priced. The quality is amazing, and the amount of quantity, like variety that they have is really, really good. So I do recommend it. It's not a sponsorship. In fact, I pay full price. They don't even give a discount. I'm gonna roll the clips now. कौन सा देखूं? इसमें से ये वाला ट्राई करूं? ये वाला एक बार दिखाइए ना प्लीज. सबसे सिंपल वाला आउटफिट खत्म कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट, which is the farshi salwar. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Oh, but it's so pretty.
Decently priced.
हाँ, decently priced. मतलब I was expecting that it will be super cheap. This is such a pretty color. I think also इसका flow एकदम वैसा ही बैठेगा जैसे मैंने reference देखा है Pinterest पे.
Yeah, but बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I think
है ना?
you can take this one.
Yeah.
And for the pants, you can take basic. इसका ही same.
हाँ, इसका ही same plain.
Exact match निकाल दिया अंकल ने.
ये क्या फैब्रिक का प्राइस है?
290.
ओके, ठीक है.
इसी का बॉटम, इसी का दुपट्टा आप कर सकते हैं.
सही है, इसको भी रख दो साइड में. ये हो गया. 5 minutes भी नहीं लगे आउटफिट को करने. इतना फास्ट.
I think in a minute or two.
I think he's also understood our style. So I feel like it's important to be patient because they also need a few minutes to like figure out what you like, what you don't like, and then they pick it up and then they show you ekdam fast.
Uncle is very invested in this, and he's also very excited. I like it. It's actually suiting you. वो अंकल जब दूसरा फैब्रिक लेने गए तो उन्होंने मैडी को बोला मैं दूसरा फैब्रिक लेकर आता तब तक आप थोड़ा भाषण दीजिए
कैमरा को।
he knows that मैडी is a YouTuber. भाई
We've
क्या
discussed-
pretty लग रही है, crazy.
Yeah. थोड़ा सा मुझे
You
ऐसा
should wear sarees every day like Tanya Mittal now.
I mean I would actually love to if it's pre-draped.
her I think उसके brand की sarees are pre-draped, not
मस्त लग रहा है कलर,
बहुत
हाँ,
अच्छा।
बहुत
एक नंबर दिख रहा है।
Thank you.
I agree with uncle.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। थोड़ा सा ऐसे मुझे दादी वाइब्स भी आ रहा है बट लाइक इन द बेस्ट
Shut up.
वे। अरे बट इन द
you look
बेस्ट वे।
very, you don't, it is
Like
not aging
my
you.
dadi, your nani would also wear ऐसे कलर की sarees, you know what
But
I
it's
mean?
not, and उनका और तेरा skin tone is काफी similar.
Similar, true.
So you know it's not looking bad.
लगा दीजिए।
ऐसा नहीं, ये आएगा ना शोल्डर पल्लू में।
पता
नहीं शोल्डर पल्लू नहीं है, हाथों पे आएगा,
हाँ ये इधर से आएगा।
मतलब शॉल की तरह आएगा।
कहाँ से लगाई?
पता नहीं अभी लगा के देखती हूँ मैं।
हाँ
मतलब साड़ी के ऊपर दुपट्टा है,
हाँ
ऐसा है।
yes
हाँ.
correct
Go with a different shade.
of red.
Yeah, if Riya's also wearing
wait
red,
yeah I don't want to do red, that is so true.
like you should do maroon or like wine color.
yeah can't do
Because
red.
like this you're looking like a bride. Like शादी के बाद वाला पहला दिन होता है ना।
ठीक, मुझे है ना डार्क, ये अभी रेड है, मुझे थोड़ा मरून दिखाओगे और डार्क थोड़ा, सो आई फील लाइक अभी इन्विजन नहीं हो पा रहा है बट विथ लाइक हैवी ज्वेलरी एंड ऑब्वियसली इस पे भी अपन बॉर्डर लगवाएंगे।
No, but I can honestly envision like मेरे को मेरे कपड़ों का विजन नहीं आता बट इसका आ रहा है। Like it's
क्योंकि
looking
मेरा
so
विजन
pretty.
बहुत अच्छा है, इसके लिए आई एम
No,
एबल टू एक्सप्लेन इट
It's
टू यू।
just so pretty. ऐसे अभी
Thank
भी
you.
इतना pretty लग रहा है। No, not you. The outfit.
ये हो जाएगा।
Weird curly. Looking like कोमोलिका। Crazy कलर है मैडी।
आई मीन
फुल सांप लग रही है। कोमोलिका।
नागिन।
हाँ नागिन, मोनी रॉय स्टारिंग विदुल शर्मा, नागिन 5।
बट मुझे लोकी अच्छा क्यों लग रहा है, मैं वही बोल रहा है एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ लाइक इट, इट्स वेरी लाइक रीगल। सो ये वाले जो एकदम हैवी वर्क वाले फैब्रिक रहता है ना, उसका सिर्फ सीन ये रहता है कि द नीडल ब्रेक्स, सो देन यू एंड अप पेइंग मोर, but then I guess that's the price that you pay. What do you think about this color on me?
It's actually a lot more than normal. I think it
मेरे पे
look
नहीं-
good in good lighting. वो lighting में देख।
क्योंकि this is according to color theory in Korea, this is my worst, one of my worst
Then
colors.
you shouldn't wear it.
But I don't believe
But it's
उसमें।
also a day function.
और pastel है theme.
हाँ. और धूप होगी I think अगर outdoor हुआ तो।
But I think they are right. The Koreans are right after all. It's making me look very dull, like my skin. Do you see it?
I think you should wear something that is cream or say that is
Technically, that is not pastel.
It is.
नहीं, cream is beige. It's cream.
तो तू बेबी पिंक में मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती है।
Okay.
फिर तू
तो फिर
लाइलैक
तेरे
में भी
तूने
अच्छी
जो
लगती
कपड़ा
है।
चुना है वो मुझे दे दे।
मैं मेरा
Take-
कपड़ा दिखाऊं। Wait. Oh, where is it?
गायब हो गया। ये है कशिश का कपड़ा। It's a very pretty English
But
pink.
I don't mind if you want. But I
नहीं,
don't
नहीं,
think
नहीं,
if
ले,
this is pastel.
This is pastel. मतलब you can take it. नहीं तेरे पे अच्छा लगेगा, तू पहन।
मैं करके
मुझे ये वाला ग्रीन बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, लाइक फॉर एक्चुअली हल्दी नहीं है, आई मीन मेहंदी नहीं है, हल्दी है, उस पे ग्रीन चलेगा।
I think we should go with pink and lilac and
लाइलैक, लैवेंडर इज माय वर्स्ट कलर अपेरेंटली।
so just बोला this is your worst color.
दो ना, वन ऑफ बोला, वन ऑफ।
This
कैसा
actually
लग
looks
रहा
good but it's yellow.
इट्स नॉट येलो, इट्स greenish.
Greenish yellow.
But yeah, you're right, yellow.
I think it is a nice color. It will look good on you. Well, it's not your best color. Actually. You can look for more.
थैंक्स कश्यप। सो मुझे ये वाला काफ़ी अच्छा लगा है, लिटरली आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट कलर थ्योरी अब भी, बट इट्स वेरी वेरी प्रिटी, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है एंड इट्स नॉट टू मच वर्क, लाइक यहाँ पर उतना वर्क नहीं है, सिर्फ नीचे है, तो आई माइट नॉट हैव टू पे टू मच फॉर द सिलाई। नीडल वाला जो तोड़ने वाला मैंने आपको बताया ना, उसके वजह से।
This is the fabric that I've suggested, but जैसे ही हमने निकलवाया इतना खास नहीं लग रहा है.
आई फील लाइक इट्स एजिंग मी, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, थोड़ा सा मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, इट्स टू लीफी, फ्लावर्स नहीं है, सो लीफी है।
Yeah, मतलब
नहीं.
दूर से अच्छा लग रहा था.
आई थिंक लैवेंडर वाला ही करूँ क्या?
या वेरी कन्वीनियंटली मैडी ने अपना आउटफिट कर लिया है
तूने ऑलरेडी कर दिया तेरा फाइनल।
बट इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं आउटफिट्स फैब्रिक्स दिखा।
कशिश ने सबसे पहले अपना फैब्रिक किया
मैंने जस्ट
फाइनल।
ऐसे ही मजाक में किया है, मैडी बोल रही ले ले। बट कितने प्रिटी फैब्रिक्स है देखना, लाइक लुक एट दिस बट
स्टिल वी कांट पिक वन।
नहीं बट द कलर्स आर नॉट समथिंग
Very bridal-y.
टेक।
I think you should
I
buy
love
it for
this.
the future.
Yeah, but I think I'll be a red bride.
That is true, you will. So this is the main कपड़ा, ये वाला है पटियाला के लिए। पटियाला के लिए you need 4 meters. And for the kurti that I want to do, 2 meters is enough. दुपट्टे के लिए भी मैं यही fabric ले रही हूँ, but I'll just put lace around it because I don't want it to be too much also.
Thank you. इसका corset कितना मस्त लग रहा है।
Please focus. Bro, it's very pretty. बहुत ही सही है. It's so regal. So heavy.
Oh shit, मैडी गिर मत जा।
कैसा लग रहा है कलर?
Very pretty.
So, मैं जो सोच के आई थी संगीत के लिए, वो मैंने स्क्रैप कर दिया है।
I gave her a new idea, guys.
You did not. मैंने Pinterest
did.
पे देखा।
No, the fabric is my choice.
You just said blue color कर।
ये वाला मैंने बोला तेरे को, वो कोई गंदा सा
नहीं।
अच्छा लगा था उधर पे।
I think I love it.
Yeah,
Expensive है ये fabric, मतलब it's for 1800 ish, पर मुझे ज़्यादा चाहिए नहीं. I need very little of
You
it.
need a small blouse. I think 1 मीटर में हो जाएगा।
Wow, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। भैया मुझे ना ये कलर नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे और डार्क ब्लू चाहिए। हाँ, I feel like one shade darker would be एकदम perfect.
कितना मस्त लग रहा है।
So ये इतना ही होगा।
हाँ, ये इतना ही होगा तो मैचिंग तो पूरा हो रहा है ना अपना।
ठीक है, मुझे एक डार्क एक और दिखा दीजिए। Yes, I love this color.
सिर्फ ऐसे ही पहन के भी अच्छा लग रहा है, like a gown, satin gown. You know,
You realize we're not going to an award function, we're going to
sorry,
a wedding.
wow,
Yeah.
gorgeous. मैडी फ्री हो गई है अभी ये दुकान में थोड़ी सी।
मैं कशिश का बर्थडे बहुत ही जल्द आ रहा है, सो मैं उसको बर्थडे पे ये गिफ्ट कर रही हूँ। इसका मैं तुझे साड़ी बना के दूंगी और ऐसे ग्रीन कलर का ब्लाउज फुल स्लीव।
खुद को हंसी आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही?
Okay, so now let's talk numbers. As you guys already saw, I spent about 13,000 rupees on the fabric, which I honestly think is fab considering it's for 4 outfits, and then around 2,250 rupees on the lace, the latkan, all of these different things. और फिर मैंने finally stitching का pay किया 8,250 rupees for 4 outfits, which brings us to a grand total of 23,500 for 4 outfits. I think I've covered basically everything. Now I can start revealing the outfits to you guys. So we're gonna start off with the first outfit, which is my arrival outfit and the lightest outfit of them all. You won't believe me when I say कि ये वाला outfit, even though सबसे हल्का outfit था, but it was the most expensive outfit of them all. I think उसका fabric का price ज़्यादा था as compared to all the other fabrics that I bought, and उसका quantity ज़्यादा था actually because it was so loose and so flowy. इसके लिए मुझे काफी महंगा पड़ गया. But I will say मुझे इसका color बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty लगा on my skin tone. But I will say the dual tone of the fabric and the color of the fabric looked really nice on my skin tone, and I loved how flowy and easy breezy it was. It goes without saying that I always get a matching potli stitched with every outfit of mine. I just love doing that. थोड़ा सा जो सलवार था, I feel like थोड़ा awkward था. I'm not going to be honest. I personally feel जो नीचे की पट्टी थी वो इतनी अच्छी से नहीं बैठी, उसका structure नहीं बैठा, but I think it's okay. But I really liked the outfit and I would give it like honestly an 8 out of 10. On to the Sangeet outfit. So my Sangeet outfit honestly kind of ended up looking kind of like a tube top with a skirt rather than a corset with a skirt. I personally should have thought about it a little bit better and maybe given it to a specialist who stitches corsets, because it's not easy stitching a corset, let's just be real. Also एक चीज मैंने सीखी in this process of making outfits, मैंने बहुत बार outfits from scratch बनाए and every time there's a new learning. इस बार मैंने ये सीखा कि यू शुड मेक श्योर कि आपका जो इंस्पो इमेज है उसमें जो फैब्रिक यूज किया है, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू बाय द सेम फैब्रिक, like the same type of fabric, and not do a different fabric. Like initially I bought a satin ka kapda for the skirt instead of like a georgette or something lighter, which I should have, which was worn in my inspo images. And flow is very important. Like the fabric really decides the flow of the outfit, so bear that in mind. So मैंने मेरी skirt 2 बार सिलाई and this is the final look. I honestly think that it turned out pretty decent and I feel like my jewelry really saved the day because my necklace, which by the way was from Azuti, was absolutely stunning and it just brought the whole look together. ये look को मैं rate करूँगी an 8.2 out of 10. Like as an overall look, not just the skirt and the top. We're gonna take a chotu break from this video because I want to talk to you guys about the 2026 planner from Simba Lifestyle. Now this is live along with 4 freebies. We have a deck of cards that can be used as affirmation cards but also actual deck of cards. We have wall calendars that you can use throughout the year as decor as well because they're super cute. A mini notebook to go along with it and 10 sticker sheets. Not 1, not 2, but 10 sticker sheets. And all of this is available for 1099 rupees. This would make for such a good Christmas gift. Other than that, we have so many combos available on the website. We have our makeup brushes also. So please go check it out and show some love. On to the Haldi outfit. I went ahead with lavender, which I have realized that it doesn't look the best on my skin tone. And according to color theory also, it's not my best color, whatever. But I really like the color. और मुझे इतना सुंदर fabric मिला था lavender color में that I was like, I'm just gonna wear it. I don't care. And I think this look turned out really nice. Like the fitting of the kurti was beautiful. Loved the patiala. Of course, matching पोटली भी थी. मैंने एक चोटी भी बांधी थी, वो मैंने खुद ने बांधी थी तो बहुत अच्छी नहीं बंधी थी. बाय द वे मैंने एक्स्ट्रा लटकन खरीदे थे जो मेरे दुपट्टे पे भी थे और मैंने वो मेरे चोटी पे लगाए थे just so that the whole look is like super cohesive. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये look. Like this is something that I will like reuse and rewear for sure. All the other looks also I will, but I feel like this one I will wear more in quantity. ये look को मैं दूंगी 8.5 out of 10. Okay, last and final outfit is the wedding look. ये वाला look मैं सबसे ज़्यादा excited थी because I've never worn anything like this before. Of course, I've worn saris before, but never with a velvet dupatta. And for some reason, this was giving me max like Jaipur coded vibes. So since this was a sari, I bought like 6 yards of this fabric and I actually asked my tailor to stitch it and make it a pre-draped sari. So that when I was at the event, I literally just had to put one hook and then put the pallu and pin it, and that was the best decision ever because I did not want to like spend a lot of time getting ready. I wanted to be at the event. I wanted to be able to help and be there, be present. So this was such a good decision and I highly recommend. अगर आपके पास already existing sarees भी है, आप उनको pre-draped sarees बनवा सकते हो. Like you can give it to your tailor and they will stitch it all, put hooks, and it's the best thing ever. Let me just show you the look. I think it turned out very, very beautiful. And I will again say that the jewelry really brought everything together. The choker was absolutely stunning. And the fact that I found it in that exact shade of the velvet dupatta, absolutely stunning. I have to give a shout out to Azuti. Again, they're not paying me to say this, but I wore their jewelry for my own wedding and they have just the best pieces ever. So I wore their choker and bangles भी उनकी थी. सारी jewelry wedding की उनसे ही थी. Okay, ये look को मैं rate करूँगी. In my personal opinion, a 9 out of 10. This was my most favorite outfit that I wore. Please मुझे comments में बताना कि what did you think of all of these outfits? outfits, and how much would you rate these in the comments? Let me know. And that's basically it to today's video. मैं सारे details, contacts नीचे description box में छोड़ दूंगी in case you're interested. So overall, I ended up spending about 24,000 rupees for 4 different outfits, which I think is such a steal because wedding के कपड़े are so expensive. अगर आप ready-made खरीदने जाते हो, it's so expensive. 24,000 में 4 outfits. I think I did a great job, and my tailor also, of course, did a great job. I'm so happy. It just made me realize that making outfit from scratch is such a rewarding process, both in the sense of you're saving a lot of money, but also there's so much creativity of your own that goes into it, right? The outfit is a lot more special in that way. So I hopefully will do a lot more of these next year. मुझे बताना comments में अगर आपको मजा आया, and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me, subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 1 million. Of course, don't forget to go check out Simba Lifestyle for our 2026 planners. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!